What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from EV Sportline. I just finished installing this tonneau cover on this customer's Silverado EV, and I think that there's a couple tips or tricks that I figured out that would definitely help you guys installing this at home by yourself. Let's get into it. So when we go up with our side rail, we're gonna get our brackets installed, and we actually just wanna leave them loose so that you can slide the rail back and forth. We were going to want to slide it back about 1.5 inches. So we got some overhang right here in your tailgate pocket so that we can get the front of our tonneau cover installed fully. So when we're putting the actual cover of our tonneau in place at the front of the truck bed, we're going to take this edge with the sticker and you're gonna go in with that first, kind of at an angle, and then roll the rest of the tonneau cover into place until we're laying parallel with the truck bed. And then once we have that, we can take our side rails here and push them that 1.5 inches back forward until our pin here is pressed up on the cover. Finally, we're going to take our little slide pin here. This is going to be pushed back. You can see there's this tab here that locks it into place. So this is going to be pushing down on it, so it's going to be a little tricky to push this into place. I find that taking one hand and pulling down on the front and then pop in the rear kind of with your palm like that is the easiest way to get it to lock in. Once you see this clip fully out and locked in, you'll know your front cover is good to go. With that being done on both sides, we can go back to our brackets and tighten all of those down. And with everything else tight, you may have a little bit of play in these preload screws here. So you'll just take a flathead screwdriver and tighten those down until there's no forward and back movement from this screw. And then on the sides here, you can see we have our little rubber seal, and we're gonna have about 1/8 inch gap from the top of your bedside here and that rubber seal, just a little bit lower than the bedside. And my final tip is when unrolling and putting your tonneau cover set to closed, you're gonna need to have your tailgate open. This tonneau cover is not gonna be able to be closed with the tailgate all the way up and then rolled back and drop the thing. So I like to take and make sure both of my edges are locked in, and I kind of twist and push back, and then I'll stand up and just give it one good pop, and you'll hear a good click, and your tonneau cover is all locked in. You can see your rubber seal right here, gonna keep everything nice and dry in the back, and just like that, you're all finished up. I hope you found these tips and tricks informative and helpful when you're installing a tonneau cover of your own. If you like what you see, leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section down below. Don't forget to check us out at evsportline.com.